audience for free with organic methods, organic traffic methods. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. I'm going to show you free ways to build your great banner for free at canva.com and use it for free and write something what you create a banner that displays something about what you have to offer and so on. Here I have a banner about my free. When you click your image, you can add a comment at your image and capture page and write something what they will benefit from when opting into your capture page and so on, and you can build your list this way. But then we're going to go to the profile. You should have a clear image of yourself. Don't use a flower or not a cat or dog. It should be of yourself to brand yourself, and so people get to know that you're a real person. And then when it comes to posting, 80% something that your audience can learn from. At most 5,000 friends, so you need to be adding more contacts each day, because when you post something, only 10% of your contacts will see that. So try to add contacts in the morning and the time. But anyway, let's check out kind of post I have created here. So here I have a bit of a story. It's better if you have a bit longer than this, but this can get more attention, especially if it's with yourself. Here I share another post with more text, sharing value. And and remember, before you post anything on your wall, remember to like and comment your contacts post as well. This have to do with the Facebook algorithm. Then you get more views on your content because they may return the favor and so on. Likes and comments can be very important. Try to comment at least your contact post half an hour at least before like. Let's see a business post here. It's a different way to do this, but you can put a color background and you can put in, and I have the same offer for you, the free training below this video. So you can click that and get your free training. And that's the way to do it. You can also make a more story-based post, and that in the end, for instance, write, would you like to have this free training from a 7-figure earner, or whatever you're promoting. I posted some fun what to write for inspiration. You can post 2 times a week about your business this way. So Facebook Lives. If you have some issues with yourself on the camera, try to get over it and work. When you do this Facebook Lives and Reels, then they will be put under the watch section on Facebook. And if you put in hashtags, that has to do with what you promote, share value about. It can go really viral and get a lot of views. So that's another way to get a free feature, and people may join you as a friend as well. The way to do this is also either have a group where you share value about a certain topic, share a lot of value, and then sometimes have a paid offer, or have a fan page as well, where you share mostly value, but you can share your reviews maybe about some certain products you promoted and so on, and use the same there. It's a free method and it's proven to work. So and remember to fill in everything about yourself and so on, so that when people visit your profile, you may generate leads for your business. And remember to post something every day more or less. You can have a break for one day, but don't give up just because you lack results. Now, the free training from the 7-Figure Earner on how we made 7 figures without an own website or own product and so on, that you can access by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.